Good morning, everyone! Welcome to our Jumpstart Basic Training, the mother of duplication. Very powerful training. There are two parts of Jumpstart, the basic and the add-on. But on this training, we do the basic first. The add-on will be in another session. In this Jumpstart Basic, we will set the daily target of your new sign-up, which is necessary for the 90-day program. This is the program that will build momentum of your new sign-up. And the faster the momentum, the faster the business grows. And how do you hit that target? This is what the training is all about. There will be workshops on how to come up with list of people and how to invite them right. At the last part of the training, there will be game plan interview. As we all know, upline-downline relationship is the most challenging part of the business. But with this game plan interview, it will manage the expectation between upline and downline. This is powerful since expectation is the root of all headaches. Our goal here is for you to be ready with the tools so you'll be more confident building your network. So, are you ready to learn? Yes or yes? Yes. Okay, so welcome to our Jumpstart Basic. So I'm here with me, my new sign-up. He's an Executive Director, 6QLPL, Marco Aradillos. How are you, Marco?
I'm good. Kumusta po, GMD?
Okay lang, great, excited. Alam mo ba kung anong gagawin natin ngayon?
Magjo-jumpstart tayo today, di ba?
Yes, actually there are two parts of Jumpstart, basic and add-on. But we'll start with basic kasi kung sabayin natin, ma-overwhelm tayo. So basic lang muna. So ready ka na ba?
Ready po.
Okay, so next slide. So ito yung ano natin, team advocacy. Napakaganda ng team advocacy natin. Build your assets and never have to work again. I'm sure, I know, nag-work ka, hindi mo mahanap to sa work mo. So, let me ask you, Marco, what do you understand about assets ba?
I believe assets is something good, no?
Yes, tama yan. So far, meron ka na bang asset?
Siguro yung mukha ko or yung katawan ko. Assets yun, di ba?
Yeah, asset yan or maybe liability. Pero asset yan. So kasi may work ka, di ba?
Yes.
Oo, pero yung work mo, hindi asset yan. Asset yan ng boss mo, ng employer mo. Kasi for it to be called asset, it's not you working. Yes, it's giving you income, asset yan, but it should be na hindi ikaw yung mag-work. Dapat passive income yon para maging asset. So sa ngayon, wala ka pang asset o baka meron ka shares of stocks. Meron ka ba?
Naman.
Ayan. Pwede na yan. Kasi hindi ka nag-work dyan. Tapos kung may gains ka, yun. No? May asset ka doon. So, pwede na yan. As long as gain, ha? Kasi, di ba, up and down din ang market. Kaya dapat long-term yan para ma-manage yung fluctuation. Pero dito talaga, Marco, mag-build tayo ng assets. Pakita ko sa iyo later. No? So, para yung asset mo, madagdagan natin. Excited ba?
Super excited.
Yes. Next slide tayo. So, the best option to build asset is network marketing. Kasi asset again is anything that gives you income but it's not you who is working. So, Marco, madali lang mag-build ng asset kung meron kang millions or you have talents. Saan ba ang marami ka doon? Talents or millions?
Parang believe ako na may talent ako pero yung iba hindi nila believe.
Sa or ka. Talents or millions, doon ka sa or. Kaya this is not popular yung building asset. You know why? Because they thought it only take millions to earn millions or talents to build assets. But if you follow the definition of Robert Kiyosaki na anything that gives money to your pocket, then there are a lot of ways to build assets if you're just creative and resourceful enough. And of course, open-minded. So for this business, Marco, ang i-build natin na assets is network marketing, no? Kasi ano to, yung network marketing is the most misunderstood business, but ang star player nito is the franchising system. So ito ang star player siya, ang bida yung franchising system. So meaning naka-franchise ang business natin. Excited ba?
Yes, excited.
Okay, so next slide. Next slide natin. So ang asset natin dito is our network, no? So this is our network. So bakit naging asset siya? Kasi in this business, alam mo, parang may ano lang tayo, pharmacy business. But we're not selling medicines, of course, but we are selling healthy products. And not so much products like pharmacy, kasi immune system yung ano natin, pinapa-healthy natin. And the scientist said, if your immune system is healthy, it can combat almost any kind of diseases. So hindi kailangan ng maraming medicines talaga. Unlike if cure ka, each sakit, yung sa medicines, ibang-ibang medicines, kaya marami sila. So going back sa kung bakit naging asset, ang tanong bakit naging asset yung network is because people who love our products will ask discount. O ikaw, Marco, kung nagustuhan mo ba yung product, maghingi ka ba ng discount?
Siyempre, Pinoy ako, di ba? So, discount talaga.
Yun nga, Pinoy, no? Ang galing sa discount. So, the only way to get discount is to sign up. And once they sign up, they're now part of your network. And just like you, marami ka ring sign up. So, yan, lalaki talaga yung network mo ng sign-ups mo. And if your network move products, meron kang income. Kaya, your network is an asset because it's giving income to you. Di ba maganda?
Yeah, super ganda.
So ngayon, may asset ka na. So exciting talaga. More asset pala kasi may shares of stock ka. Tsaka sabi mo may talent ka. Ikaw lang nagsabi nun. Okay, so next slide tayo, Marco. Masaya, di ba?
Yes.
Okay, so ang question, kung ang network natin is our asset, so the question is, how do we create a strong, solid, and stable network? No? So the answer to that is, must have a system to follow and people to work with the system. So meron tayong formula dito. To have a strong network, dapat system and people. Kasi mga tao, ang ano nila, notion nila na hanap-hanap lang to ng tao. Pero alam mo ba, Marco, this is a profession, di ba? This is a career, 3 to 5 career plan. No? So meron tayong job description as a career. Di ba sa trabaho mo, meron ka ring job description?
Yes, meron.
Ano bang mga job description mo?
Service ng mga clients, mag-develop ng business, mga ganyan.
Wow. So dito, Marco, dalawa yung job description natin. First is finding your 6 people. Bakit 6 people? Kasi yun kailangan natin para mag 1 million per month tayo, 6 people. So we find that by presentation. So the second one, the second job description is teaching each of the 6 to find their 6 by training using our system. So in other words, building network is 2 steps lang. Presentation, then train people to find their 6 also. So presentation and training lang. So 'di ba ang simple lang, building network is presentation and training, system and people. Finding 6 people, then train them with the system. Klaro ba?
Yes, malinaw po.
Okay, next slide tayo. So ito yung formula natin, di ba? Network equals system plus people. So what is the system? System is jumpstart, which is the skills. So ito yan, yung pinag-usapan natin. No? Tapos STP, the action, show the plan. And DSO, new distributor success orientation is the mindset. Then counseling is the mastery. So how do we find people? So hindi tayo mag-trial and error, we will use the PNB Finder cycle, and it all starts with product order. No product, no business talaga. So once you have the product, so let's do jumpstart training. And then after jumpstart training, yun, pwede na tayo mag-field work. No field work yet without jumpstart. Very important yan. So kaya tayo nag-jumpstart ngayon, no, para maka-field work na tayo. So yung field work natin talaga, pinaka-field work is STP, show the plan. This is finding our 6 by presentation. So 2 on 1, hindi ka nag-iisa dito. Kasama mo ako 5 to 10 times, and within 5 to 10 times, marami na tayong rejections dyan, given yan. The more rejection, the more presentation lang yan. No? So when we have rejections, we'll have in the SO, the mindset training, new distributor success orientation. And after that, we should do follow-up sa mga taong pinapresentahan natin. So after follow-up, yun, kung meron ng product order, yun naman ang jumpstart, duplication lang talaga. No, nasa cycle lang yan. And until you find your 6. And in order to persist in the business, kasi 3 to 5 year career plan to, meron tayong vitamins. Ikaw, Marco, nag-vitamins ka rin.
Intra, Nutria, Cardio Life, yung vitamins ko.
Yes, no? So yan, physically, kailangan natin yan, no? Vitamins. So dito din, may vitamins tayo sa body natin, tsaka sa mind natin. So ruta ang tawag dyan. R, read books, watch positive videos, you use product, yan, ginamit mo na yan. T-talk upline palagi kasi nandun yung positivity sa upline and associate with positive people. And A, attend, participate, and promote events kasi nandun yung mga excited people. So yan ang kailangan natin, system plus people. So far, may question ba?
Wala po, GMD. Clear lahat.
Okay, so start na tayo. Jumpstart Workshop Basic. Okay, para makastart na tayo mag-build ng asset mo. So next slide. So ang gagawin natin first sa Jumpstart Basic is setting the target. Okay, bakit magsiset tayo ng target? Kasi with the target, your business has direction. You become more intentional. You need to talk to people kasi you have a target, diba? And you need to have products. You need to have list of people. Kailangan mo magpaturo kasi may target ka. Otherwise, Marco, kung wala kang target, nako, mauubos lang yan sa Facebook or Netflix. And you don't feel bad kasi wala ka namang target. So in other words, mas productive ka talaga. No, mawala yung non-essential sa schedule mo. So magta-target tayo. Okay, so yung anong target natin? Ang target natin is Life Builder Program. No, Life Builder Program. Sa Life Builder Program, Marco, 'di ba nag-Express Direct ka, 'di ba? Yung kinuha mo, Express Direct?
Yes.
So in 30 days, ang goal mo is maghanap ng either Express Direct or Instant Direct. In 30 days, dapat may dalawa kang sign up na Express or Instant. Kailangan yon para meron kang 9 bottles free. Imagine, 9 bottles free, libre yon para gagamitin mo. So, di ba, ang galing. So, ang kita mo dyan kay Bonus A, from A, bonus mo, 14,000. Each sign up, may 14,000 ka. Tapos yung 9 bottles free, kung mabenta mo yan, that's 16,000. So imagine, meron kang 44,000 for every one Life Builder program. Di ba? Galing?
Yes. Super galing.
So kung dalawa yan, 88,000. Okay, so next slide tayo. Okay, so step 2 na tayo, Marco, as the target. So, ilan ba yung target mo? 1 life builder or 2 life builders?
1 life builders muna.
Okay, 1 life builder. So, ilang express or instant yon?
2 express.
Okay, 2 express. So, klaro na yan. Isang life builder. So, step 3 na tayo. Convert to daily target. Now, the question is, why do we convert it to daily target? Psychologists said, the shorter the target, the easier you will get it. Why? Kasi nakikita mo ang results kaagad. And by the results, it gives you feedback. Like, siguro ay parang na-exaggerate ko yung testimony ko. No? So yon, i-adjust ko yan. Kaya pala hindi ako nakabenta. O parang ang dumi na siguro ng sales materials ko. No? Food supplements pa naman ang products namin. So yan, no? Yung nasa field talaga ang wisdom. So, yan, i-convert natin to daily target kasi 30-day target yung one life builder eh. No? So, kasi for every statistically, para hindi na tayo mag-compute dito, kasi yun nga, duplication to, simplicity is the key. So, isang Express Direct, statistically 1 bottle per day. So, 2 kasi yung Express Direct, so ilan yung daily target mo?
2 bottles a day.
Yeah, 2 bottles a day. So ngayon, meron ka ng daily target ha, 2 bottles a day. Gagawin mo to or talk to 3 to 5 people a day. Kasi yung 2 bottles talaga, wala ka control doon. Focus on the effort here, not on the results. So kailangan kasi to yung 2 bottles a day for your life builder. And then, dire-diretso na yan for 90 days. no? Para ma-build mo rin yung momentum mo, no? So, yun, kailangan talaga yung momentum. So, kung hindi ka makabenta ng 2 bottles, you have to talk to 3 to 5 people a day. Tapos, naka 90-day program ka, no? So, yun, no? So, alam mo ba kung anong sikreto ng business dito, Marco?
Ano po?
But before isagot ko yan, so ito palang pocket monitor, very important to kasi anything that is not measurable does not exist. So dapat naka-measure yung daily target natin. So meron tayong tawag na pocket monitor. You can download this in Business Owners Pro. Meron ka na bang Business Owners Pro?
Yes, meron na po.
Oo, libre yon, no? Maganda talaga yon. Lahat ng presentation tutorial at saka training tutorial nandun sa dashboard na yon. So in this pocket monitor, for example, nasa 5th of the month tayo. Tapos, every square, ibig sabihin doon, kailangan mo talaga dyan mag-talk to people. So kung bakante yan, utang mo yan, no? Utang mo yan. Kung hindi ka nakapag-STP, no? So kasi filled in talaga yan in the next 90 days. Yun nga, 90-day program to. So sa first square, so kung may STP ka, tapos kumuha ng isa, you put 1. The second square, kung kumuha ng dalawa, you put 2. No? Tapos, kung sa third, fourth, yan, nakiyat pa sila, given lang yan sa business, no? Sorting business lang tayo, 'di ba? Professional sort, no? So sorting lang, so di pa sila ready. So ano lang, shade lang muna, no? Third, fourth, shade lang muna. Tapos sa fifth, kasi hindi ka pa nag-stop talaga, kasi committed ka talaga sa 90-day program, yun, nakabenta ka ng 1 bitikit. Ilan ba yung laman sa isang bitikit?
4 products.
4 products. So you put 4. So yan, kailangan yan. Napaka-importante. Diba yung tanong ko kanina kung anong sikreto ng business, diba tinanong ko sa'yo na may secret dito sa business. At alam mo, ano yung secret ng business natin?
Ano po?
Get that momentum whatever it takes. Yun lang talagang pinaka-importante. Kasi lahat na nag-quit dito, sila yung walang momentum. No? Before the momentum came, yun, nag-quit sila. Kasi if you have the momentum, wala talaga nag-quit dyan kasi malaki na yung cheque mo, marami ng reorders, marami nang nagpasalamat sa'yo, exciting na talaga ang business mo. And with that excitement, it will also attract excited people and exciting things. So kaya yung business is unstoppable kasi yung belief level mo tumataas din. So para sa akin talaga, this is the only hurdle of this business, itong 90-day program, and it will give you your dreams. Kasi yun nga, sabi dito, 90 days of pain for a lifetime of gain. Diba? Ang galing?
Yes, super.
So, klaro na talaga yung 90-day program. So, alam na natin paano nag-set na tayo ng target. Set the target ang part 1. Part 2 na tayo. So, next slide. So, ang part 2 is achieve the target. So, paano ba i-achieve yung target? Yung 2 bottles a day or 3 to 5 people a day. So, yan, no? Kailangan natin ng number 1, products. Meron ka na. Number 2, kailangan natin ng list of people. Number 3, dapat alam din natin how to set appointment sa mga tao natin, list of people natin. Okay? So ano na tayo? Step 1 tayo sa part 2. Write the following in a notebook. Relatives and friends. So mag-workshop tayo. Next slide. So dito, ito yung mga ano natin, relatives and friends. List of people natin, Marco, is the asset of our business. So, yan, isulat natin to, workshop to, kasi meron tayong gagawin workshop pa after this. So, kailangan mo talagang gawin to for 7 minutes. You will write all your relatives, mother side, father side, no? Neighbors mo, past and present, classmates mo, office mates mo, mga professionals like dentists, kasi ang dami rin dentist dito eh, no? Tsaka relatives abroad kasi online to, online business to. Ang importante lang dito, Marco, is do not pre-qualify. Meaning, kahit ilang taon yan, no? Or may sakit, walang sakit, may pera, walang pera, as long as they're breathing, yun lang talagang requirement. Pag huminga pa, yan, isulat mo. No? So, yan, ano natin, mag-workshop tayo for 7 minutes. Ready ka na ba? May pen ka ba? Tsaka, notebook?
Yes, my pen and notebook ako.
Yeah. Kasi kailangan talaga, may intra-notebook ka talaga dito. No, para sa list of people mo. Kasi balik-balikan mo tong list of people eh. Kasi the bigger is your list, the bigger is your asset. So minsan may naalala ka. Kasi dito, sometimes hindi mo naalala yung names nila. Sulat mo lang, yung maputi, yung matangkad. So later on, balikan mo lang. Okay?
Yes.
So 7 minutes starts now. Okay, so in case tapos na tayo sa 7 minutes. Okay? So, yan. Ano na tayo? Next na tayo. Slide. No? Triggered questions. Assignment na to, Marco. Page 38. So, yan. Nandun yan sa Business Owners Pro. No? I-download mo lang. So, triggered questions. Next slide. Ano bang, ano tong triggered questions? Kasi, kailangan talaga natin ang list of people and UP study says, sa ngayon ba, ilan ba yung nasulat mo na list of people sa
31
workshop natin? Ilan?
31 people.
31 people. So yan, no? Kulang yan. Kasi according to UP studies, a person 18 years old and above, study yan ha, sabi 263 daw ang kakilala natin, influence natin, 18 years old and above. Kaya lang, 31 lang yung nasulat mo. Of course, kulang tayo sa time, pero nakalimutan din natin. So meron tayong mga triggering questions to trigger us to remember, that help us remember yung mga kakilala natin. So 100 yan, triggered questions. So assignment mo na yan. No? So yan, number 1 dyan, your phone book directories, your Facebook friends, yun, no? Mga invite list, birthday, wedding invite list, kung mag-birthday ka or wedding, sino ba yung i-invite mo, landlord and lady, yan. Assignment mo yan, Marco, ha? Yung ito,
Wow,
triggered
parang
questions.
school talaga na may assignment.
Yes, kasi to, University of Lifestyles, the School of Millionaires, di ba? Ang ganda. Okay, so next slide na tayo. List of dreams. No? List of dreams. Okay, so sa list of dreams, assignment din yan, page 10. No? Again, nasa yan? Sa Business Owners Pro. Download mo lang. Okay, so next slide. So ito yung dreams natin, the why. No? Importante talaga to. Kasi as they say, write your dreams and make it happen. There's power talaga in writing down our dreams. Kasi may scientific explanation dyan eh. You're triggering the subconscious mind, which is more powerful than conscious mind. Kasi nangyari din sa amin to. Alam mo ba, Marco, in 2002, we wrote our dreams. Tsaka nung 2016, no, nakita namin balik yung list of dreams. At nagugulat kami kasi alam mo, 80% sa list of dreams doon natutupad. Grabe talaga. Yung Beijing namin, yung yung Great Wall of China, no, sinulat namin yun. Tapos ang company nag-incentive sila doon. Nag-cruise kami, no, incentive din ng company, no, na sasakyan ng husband ko na Ford Ranger na white. At that time kasi pa siya, yung hindi pa kasi yung niya yung sasakyan niya, no? Mitsubishi pa lang yung sakyan niya. Grabe, tapos yung club membership, no, anak mag-school abroad. Imagine, no? Really, there's power in writing them down. And Marco, you can start with small dreams kasi dito ang assignment natin as DD. Magkano ba yung kita ng DD? Mga, di ba, nasa 20 to 40,000. So ilagay mo doon, ano ba yung dreams ko? Na yung income level is 20 to 40,000. Then RD, 40 to 75,000. So ano bang mga dream na within 40 to 75,000? Para it gives you the urgency to get that promotion for your DD, RD, or ED dreams or NMD, IMD, GMD. Di ba ang galing? Check lang tayo ng dreams dito.
Yes, super galing talaga.
Yes. Okay, so ano na tayo? Profiling. No, profiling na tayo sa list of people natin. Kasi Marco, syempre kung ka, hindi pa sila kumuha, most likely hindi sila right market. So unahin natin yung right market, no? So ang right market natin dito mas madali kasi pag right market. So unahin natin yung madali para mag-build ng confidence natin. Mag-build sa atin ng confidence. Kasi kung unahin natin, walang pera, walang sakit, tapos bata pa, of course, mahirapan ka talaga magbenta sa product natin. So, iano natin yung parameters natin sa right market natin. So, ito yon, 4 lang yan, Marco. Number 1, negosyante or business-minded. Number 2, can afford. Number 3, cannot say no to you. Number 4, physically challenged. So, yan ang gagawin natin, profile natin, yung list of people mo. Di ba may 31 ba? Sabi mo, 31 people?
Yeah, 31 GMB.
Yes. Tapos yan, nasa notebook mo yan. So, makita mo dito sa notebook, sulat mo. Tapos, yan, ilagay mo, lagyan mo ng asterisk mga right people. Okay? So, for example, sino ba yung mga ano mo, right people mo dyan?
Tingnan ko
sige.
Si Stephen Ugsad.
Stephen Ugsad. Yan, ano mo yan? Right people mo. So, okay. So, right people mo yan. So, ano ba siya? Business-minded, can afford, or cannot say no to you, or physically challenged?
Parang ano yun negosyante yun si Stephen. So, business-minded.
Business-minded. Yan, ganun ang gagawin mo. Sino pang nandyan na tingin mo right market mo?
Si Gina Ibo.
Gina Ibo. Ano yan siya?
Dentist yun so baka mayaman yun, can afford.
Yeah, can afford. Yan ang gagawin mo, no? Mga right market, lagyan mo ng asterisk. Then after that, lagay mo kung paano mo sila i-approach, no? So there are 2 ways to approach them, either by appointment, either call, or surprise visit, no? So lagyan mo ng A for appointment, tsaka B, surprise visit. No? So, kung ang tanong is ano bang mas effective? Ano tingin mo ang mas effective dito?
Yung surprise visit.
Yeah, surprise visit, no? Pero make sure lang, of course, kakilala mo yan, no? Iba yung door knocking, ha? Door knocking is strangers yon. Ito kakilala mo, surprise visit. Meron nga ako no? Downline ko. Naging regional director siya in just one night, no? Ano lang, surprise visit. So, napaka-instant tong, surprise visit. Okay, so mag-workshop tayo niyan. Next slide tayo. So, may workshop tayo, Marco. No? So, ito yung mga workshop natin. No? Kasi ang question ngayon, meron ka ng right market, paano mo ba sila i-approach? So, mag-workshop tayo about making appointment, and there are 2 types of making appointment. That is setting appointment, naka-set talaga yung appointment, or walang appointment is set. So, or surprise visit, tawag dyan. Then, workshop din tayo sa follow-up, tsaka game plan interview. Okay, next slide na tayo. Okay, so yan, no? First workshop natin is setting appointment. So sa setting appointment, yan, appointment is set, no? Okay, so yan, iano ko muna to para ma-ready tayo sa natin, workshop natin. So, okay, so set appointment tayo. Sa setting appointment, so appointment is set, no? Date, place, time, DPT. So, alam mo ito talaga yung pinaka-challenge ng mga tao. Dito sila nagkamali, yung mga bago, yung mag-set ng appointment kasi kaagad-agad nag-explain sila kaagad-agad, no? Pero hindi dapat ganon, no? Invitation is one thing, explanation is another thing. As a matter of fact, in the 7 skills, another skill yung pag-set of appointment, and it's another skill ang pag-present, no? Kasi iba talaga yan. So sa setting appointment, hindi ka nagbebenta ng intra, kundi nagbebenta ka, you're selling out the date, place, and time, no? DPT. So mag-workshop tayo later niyan. So 3 approaches yan, no? So and there are 2 types of prospect, business prospect tsaka product prospect. So they thought kasi lahat ng mga tao na pinoprospect nila, business kaagad. No, ang dami niyang product prospect kasi yung business natin is product-driven business. So may real demand talaga yung product. Kahit hindi sila nagbe-business, kita nga, kahit wala pa tayong network, nag-earn pa rin tayo kasi may retail profit. Yun din ang maganda sa business natin. While building our network, meron tayong mga retail, and that's coming from product prospect. So sa product prospect, ginamit natin advocacy approach. Sa business prospect naman, ito yung possible 6 natin na hinahanap. Leveraging approach, which is the keyword is asset building program. franchising approach, the keyword is online business. So isa-isahin natin yan. Ready na ba?
Ready po.
Wow, ready siya. So, dito na tayo, next slide na tayo sa script natin. So, Marco, may tanong ako.
Yes.
Paano ka mag-set ng appointment? Sige nga, iset mo ako ng appointment. Sige nga, itry mo ako. Set mo ako ng appointment. Without this workshop ha, yung ano mo lang, yung sayo.
Sige, pakita ko sa'yo. Okay. So, ma'am.
Ay, mali na. Kasi ma'am, dapat miss.
Ay, mali na pala. Okay. Sige. Try ko ulit. Miss Beautiful.
Ayan. Magkano ba yan?
May pakita lang ako sa'yo. Ano to siya? Intra, 23 herbs.
Magkano?
Ano siya? 1,800.
Ay, naku, mahal. So, hindi dapat ganun, no? So, nag-explain ka kaagad, no? 23 herbs, no? So, hindi dapat ganun kasi, yun nga, no? Ang tanong talaga yan palagi, magkano? So, kung hindi ka nakaset ng appointment, hindi mo napakita yung benefits na made in Canada, GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, HACCP pala, no? Hazardous Analysis Critical Control Point, yun, dami nun, no? Tapos, hindi mo na-highlight yung benefits, tapos nagtatanong na sa price. Kaya mahal siya kasi hindi na-highlight yung benefit. So, yun ang ibig kong sabihin, na hindi ka nakabenta kasi hindi mo na-present lahat ng benefits. So, mag-set ka talaga ng appointment para ma-present mo lahat, no? So, dapat may presentation. Kaya mag-set ka ng appointment. So, ito yun paano, Marco. So, hindi ka ma-explain ha, mag-set ka ng appointment muna. So, pakibasa sa ano natin, sa script natin.
Okay, so setting appointment guides, leveraging approach. Normally, it's a phone conversation. Number 1, opening topic, form, family, occupation, recreation, meaning. Number 2, when you proceed to your business opportunity, starts with a script. You. By the way, can I ask you a question? Prospect. Yeah, sure. You. Have you heard about leveraging? Prospect. What is that? You. This is our asset building program. I have here the guide of Robert Kiyosaki, but it is visual. Is weekend or weekdays favorable to you for coffee or video call? If not, okay, try again. Like, how about next weekend or this upcoming holiday, etc., until you get an appointment. Number 3, it's the DPT, not the opportunity that you sell out. Always present power of choice when you sell out an appointment.
Okay, so yan. I-summarize ko lang ha. Dapat chika-chika muna. How do you set appointment? Dapat chika-chika muna. Tapos, by the way, kung gusto mo nang papasok sa opportunity mo, ang susi lang talaga dyan, ang key lang talaga dyan is by the way. Kasi dati, Marco, wala pa tong script. Ang haba na ng usapan namin, hindi kami makapasok sa opportunity kasi hindi namin alam the first place. So 1 hour na lang, hindi namin napasok yung opportunity. Tuloy, nawala na yung prospect. So dito, by the way lang pala ang pinaka-key dito. Tapos, then, power of choice when you set appointment. Okay, so chika-chika, ordinary chika-chika, di ba? Kung tatawag ka sa friend mo, chika-chika naman yan eh. No? So, pero dito, may tayo, guide, form, tawag dyan. No? F, family. O, occupation, sana siya connected. R, recreation, pwede rin retirement yan, tsaka meaning. So, meaning, how can you provide solution to their possible problems? Kasi yun ang advocacy natin or mission natin providing health and wellness solution to help people live better every day. So, yan, no? By the way, chika-chika, by the way, tapos power of choice. Kaya mo yan?
I think kaya.
Sino bang natin dito pala? Sinong prospect? Sinong distributor?
Ikaw muna. Para tingnan ko muna. Kung kaya ba talaga.
Okay. Sabi mo kasi, kaya mo. Akala ko, ikaw yung distributor na. So, anong scenario natin?
Magka-office mates na lang tayo.
Office mates? So, tayo? Same age pala tayo.
Mukha naman, di ba?
Wow! Magkano yan? So, ako, accounting. Nasa accounting ako, di ba? Accounting department. Tapos ikaw nasa sales department. Ganun na lang. Tapos, nag-retire na ako, syempre. Okay. No? Kasi maganda na yung business ko no? Okay. So, tawagan kita. No? Ano ka doon? Leveraging approach lang, no? Kasi ito, leveraging approach ginamit no? Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano ka, health conscious ka, or may sakit ka, or negosyante ka. So, para generic lang, kasi pag hindi mo talaga alam, ito, no, ito yung gagamitin mo. Leveraging approach. Okay, so kring-kring na tayo.
Yes, green green.
Kring-kring! Hello, Marco!
Yes, Eva.
Yes, Eba to. Kumusta?
I'm good. Ikaw, kumusta ka?
Okay lang. No? So, dito, masaya. Masaya na nag-retire na, nag-resign na. No? Ikaw, kumusta kayo dyan? Ano pa rin? Busy pa rin?
Oo, busy pa rin. Ang daming hinahabol na targets kasi di pa kami umabot ng budget.
Ganun ba? So, may overtime ba? May bayad naman yung overtime nyo?
Yes, the usual overtime tapos walang bayad
Ah,
kasi
hindi
wala
overtime yan.
ano 'yan?
Overtawad. Overtawad tawag dyan. Oy, by the way, may tanong ako sa'yo. May phone pala. May tanong ako sa'yo.
Yes, ano 'yan, Eva?
Narinig mo na yung leveraging?
Leveraging? Not yet. Ano 'yan?
Asset building program namin to eh. No? So, kaya lang, hindi ako maka-explain sa phone kasi may guide ni Robert Kiyosaki. I-zoom ko na lang sa'yo, pakita ko yung guide. Kailan ka kaya pwede? Weekend or weekdays?
Sa weekend pwede ako.
Wow, mga Saturday or Sunday?
Sunday pwede.
Sunday. So, ano yan? Afternoon kaya or evening?
Sa evening na lang para tapos na lahat ng chores.
Okay, so mga 8 or 9?
8 pwede.
8. Sige, 8 na lang. Sige, Sunday, 8 p.m. So, send ko na lang yung Zoom link. Tsaka chika-chika more tayo doon. Okay? Thank you,
Okay.
Marco. Yan,
Okay.
i-ano mo na, baba mo na yung phone, baka magbago pa yung isip. Okay, di ba ang dali lang? No? Chika-chika lang, tapos chismis-chismis lang, tapos by the way kaagad. Tapos power of choice na. Di ba? Ang dali lang. Pero hindi naman lahat mag-yes talaga, pero mas malaki yung chance mo kung mag-ano ka, ito yung gagamitin mo. Okay? So next slide na tayo. Ano ba yung next slide dyan? No? So, yan. Okay, franchising approach. So, sino bang basahin mo, Marco, yung franchising approach?
Okay, so setting appointment guides, franchising approach. Normally, it's a phone conversation. Opening topic, form, family, occupation, recreation, and meaning. Number 2, when you proceed to your business opportunity, starts with a script. You, by the way, can I ask you a question? Prospect, yeah, sure. You, what is your online business now? Prospect, what is that? You, this is a franchise distributorship of essential products. I have here the guide, but it is visual. Is weekend or weekdays favorable to you for coffee or video call? If not okay, try again. Like, how about next weekend or this upcoming holiday, etc., until you get an appointment. Number 3, it's the DPT, not the opportunity that you sell out. Always present power of choice when you sell out an appointment.
Okay. So dito naman, Marco, yung mga mga negosyante. Meron ka ba dyan, mga negosyante sa list of people mo?
Yes, meron si Flor de Liza.
Si Flor de Lisa. Yeah. Bakit nasabi mong negosyante siya?
Kasi lagi ko siya nakikita sa Good Morning World. Ang daming benta.
Good Morning World?
Yes.
Okay. So baka na yun? Baka member na yun. Huwag yun sa Good
Pero
Morning World.
iba yung binibenta niya. Parang malunggay ata yung binibenta niya sa Good Morning.
Malunggay. Hindi, wag sa Good Morning World. Kasi yan, nakaano na yan. Normally, mga member na yan. Dapat yung wala pa sa Good Morning World. Meron ka ba dyan na wala sa Good Morning World?
Yes, meron din.
Ayan. Tingnan mo lang yun sa Facebook nila, yung background nila, kung ano. 'Di ba? Makikita yan sa mga post nila. So maganda rin yung Facebook, may ka rin, more or less, alam mo yung background nila. So meron ka bang ganyan na tingin mo, mga negosyante, yung mga nagbenta-benta ng mga cupcake, mga
Yes,
tanim,
si Jet Abad, nagbebenta to ng beer.
Si Jet Abad. So, bibili ka na lang ng beer.
Oo, para principle of reciprocity.
Yeah, principle of reciprocity. Uy, nandyan yan, nabasa mo pala yon. Nandun yan sa Business Owners Pro Yung how to say yes, 6 principles on how to say yes. Gamit din yon, maraming gamit din yon. So, mo yun, ipanoorin mo yon. Yan, no? So, pero wag kang mag-beer ha, malaman yan ng mami mo, pagalitan ka.
Intra lang, only intra goes through my body.
Wow, galing magbenta. So, si Jet, natin. I-set natin ng appointment.
Okay.
Okay, so using the script, ha? Okay, so yan, tawagan mo. This time, ikaw na yung distributor. Ako na yung prospect. Okay ba yon? Ako si
Okay.
Jet. Okay, ako
Okay.
si Jetta.
Sige.
Okay, so yan ha, chika-chika. By the way, then power of choice. Yun lang. Okay.
Okay,
Kring-kring
so
na tayo.
ring.
Kring-kring, yes! Uy, Marco, kumusta?
Hi,
Tumawag
Jet.
ka.
Yes, kumusta bro? How are you?
Okay lang. Ikaw, saan ka na ngayon?
Nasa ano pa rin ako, hospitality industry. Pero tumatawag lang ako sa iyo because I noticed na ang dami mong benta. Baka gusto mo ng online distributorship.
Teka muna, parang ang bilis eh. Magchika-chika ka muna, no? Yung saan ka connected, ganon. Building rapport
Okay.
muna. Kasi yun, no? Para may principle of liking. Alam mo ba yung principle of liking? Nandun yun eh. Diba?
Mm-mm.
So, giving
Sige.
compliments,
Chika muna.
ganon. Mga chika-chika. Parang normal lang talaga. Chika-chika lang talaga. Kaya lang, lagyan mo ng by the way.
Okay.
Kaya lang na business siya kasi nilagyan mo ng by the way. Pero at first, chika-chika lang talaga yan. Okay? So, form, family, occupation, recreation, and meaning. Sige,
Okay.
kring-kring. Take two na tayo. Take two ba?
Take two. Take two.
Okay.
So,
Kring-kring.
hi Jet.
Oy, Marco, tumawag ka.
Yes.
Kumusta?
Kumusta bro? Nangumusta lang ako sa'yo kasi nakita ko yung mga posts mo sa Facebook. How are you?
Okay lang. Saan ka na kaya ngayon, Marco? Hindi ko alam eh.
Nasa
Nag-abroad
ano
ka
pa
ba?
rin ako. Hindi, nasa Manila lang ako. Nasa hospitality. Tapos nakita ko lang yung mga post mo sa Facebook. Saan ka ba nakakonect ngayon or nagbe-business ka ba?
Nasa Honda ako ngayon eh. Doon ako ngayon nag-work. So, medyo
Ah,
okay lang. Nasa sales ako. So, yan,
same
okay
pala
lang.
tayo, sales.
Oh,
Tapos
sales, yes, no? Ang ganda. So,
dami mong sideline din. So, ano ba, hindi ka ba masaya sa Honda?
masaya naman sa Honda. Kaya lang, syempre, nag-ano din para additional income. Alam mo na, mas maganda kung may bata pa tayo. Mas maganda kung may mga additional income ka. So, may mga beer ako doon. Bili ka ng beer.
Oo nga gusto ko nga kasi stress na dito, kailangan mag-relax. Pero yun nga din, kasi may din ako dito, additional income na business. So baka interested ka din. Are you
Hindi.
interested?
Doon ka talaga sa by the way para talaga may clear demarcation. By the way, may tanong ako para
Okay.
makano din siya maka-pause. 'Di ba? Kasi
Okay.
dire-diretso eh, no? 'Yon, bibili ka ba ng beer? Kaya tumawag ka. Akala ko nga bibili ka ng beer eh. Pinapayagan
Yes,
ka pala ng
yes.
mami mo?
Yes, actually, yun yung pinakaunang reason kung bakit tumawag ako. Bibili ako ng beer. Kailangan ko na talaga eh. By the way,
Kailangan mo na.
ano din pala, may question ako for you.
Ano 'yun?
May online business ka na ba ngayon?
Ah, wala pa. Ano lang, mga talaga ako, face to face, physical lang talaga. Pero maganda 'yan, 'di ba? Mga millennial ngayon, mahilig sa online. Ano yung online mo?
Ano to siya? Franchise distributorship of essential products. Kaso lang, medyo visual. May guide ako ni Robert Kiyosaki dito.
Ha? Ay, Gabs, wag Robert Kiyosaki kasi Robert Kiyosaki, doon 'yun sa sa leveraging.
Okay.
Yan. So ito kasi baka maano siya, bakit Robert Kiyosaki? 'Di ba? Kasi you're focusing on distributorship, online distributorship of essential products. Kasi by
Okay.
the way pala doon sa sa leveraging na concept, dapat ang i-present mo doon asset building guide ha. Kasi ang sinasabi mo doon asset building program. So expected na all about asset building yung i-discuss mo. 'Di ba? So asset building guide, then tapos kung paano mag-build ng asset, yun i-present mo na yung business plan. Kasi yung asset building 15 minutes lang naman yun eh. Tapos syempre, tanong mo after, so gusto mo bang makita ng business na makabuild ka ng asset? Of course, yes, ang answer nun. So i-present mo na yung business plan. So yun ang leveraging. So ito, ano lang talaga to, purely online, no? So, yun, sige, by the way, doon kas by the way.
Dami palang alam ni Jet. Parang nag-networking na pa.
Hindi ako si Jet. I'm GMD Eva. Sige, assume mo si Jet ako. Say, by the way
Okay.
ka na.
So, by the way, may question ako for you.
Ano yun?
May online business ka na ngayon?
Wala pa eh. Pero alam mo, gusto ko yan. Online, di ba? Mga millennial. Gusto talaga yon online para lakwatsa pa rin pero may business pa rin. So ano yan, bro?
This is a franchise distributorship of essential products. May guide ako dito. Free ka ba this weekend or this week, one of these weekdays?
Mas maganda yung weekend or weekdays, no?
Mm-mm.
Kaysa parang ang daming options noon eh, no? Or one of these weekdays, ganun. So ano lang, weekend or weekdays, ganun. Mas yun,
Free
mas
ka ba?
klaro.
Weekend or
Clarity is power eh. Sige.
free ka ba? Weekend or weekdays?
Sige, weekend ako, weekend. Pwede ako sa weekend.
Okay, Saturday or Sunday?
Sunday. Sunday pwede, bro.
Okay, Sunday. So morning, afternoon?
Sige, i-try mo lang ha kasi hindi ako sure sa afternoon eh. Baka busy ako. Hindi ako sure, bro eh.
Okay, okay lang yan. If busy ka this Sunday, try na lang natin next week para free ka talaga. Saturday or Sunday next week?
Yan, maganda yan. Kung hindi siya free, so how about next weekend? Yan. At saka Saturday or Sunday kasi alam mo nang weekend siya bakante. So Sunday pero mga 8 siguro. 8 p.m. pwede ako diyan.
Okay, so next Sunday, 8 p.m. I'll see you for Zoom. Send kita ng link.
O sige. Okay, so yun. Okay. Ganda yun, no? So, yan lang. More ang mo lang, improve mo lang doon is ang chika-chika. No, parang lang talaga, nangumusta, no? Nangumusta. Tapos, kung nagpintuhan na kayo, nagtatawanan na kayo, yun, si by the way na. No? Tapos, dire-diretso na. Anong online business mo ngayon? Ano yan? Ay, hindi pwede sa phone eh. May guide, visual. So, send na lang kita ng link. Kailan kaya ka pwede? Weekend or weekdays? No? Yun, tama na yun. Okay? So, again, ang sinisell out mo, it's the DPT. No? Date, place, and time. Kung may mga tanong yan, so later on, makikita natin yan kung paano sagutin yung mga tanong. Buti na lang, no? Mabait si Jet. Walang mga tanong. Okay, so next slide na tayo. Ano ba yung next slide? So kung hindi siya negosyante, tapos tingin mo health conscious siya or may sakit siya, ito gamitin mo to. Advocacy approach. So tayo? Mag-workshop tayo. So sinong natin? Sinong prospect ngayon? Sinong distributor?
Dapat ako na yung prospect para palit-palit naman, equal
Anong
opportunity.
palit-palit? Puli-puli?
Puli-puli kung Bisaya.
Puli-puli sa Bisaya. Palit-palit ba yon sa Tagalog? So sige, okay.
Okay.
Ako yung distributor, ikaw yung prospect. Parang ikaw yung mentor no? Ikaw yung nag-direct sa show. So, sige na lang. Okay. So, ako yung distributor, ikaw yung prospect. Tapos, hindi ka negosyante, health conscious ka kasi nakita kita doon sa Facebook. Ang dami mong doon, no? Post about health, about fitness, nag-exercise ka, nag-biking ka, tapos healthy food, no, mga vegetables. So yan, prospect ka for the advocacy, health prospect. Okay. So yan, tawagan kita. So same pa rin yung natin? Or anong gusto mo yung natin? Scenario natin?
Teacher kita before.
Teacher, ayoko na. Sige, teacher ako. Okay, so tapos student kita. Okay,
Yeah.
tatawagan kita. Okay, so yon. Kring kring.
Hello.
Hello Marco. Si Miss Eva to. Kumusta?
Miss Eva. Long time Okay lang ako. Ikaw, kumusta po kayo?
Okay lang. Saan ka na connected ngayon?
Nasa hospitality industry ako. Nasa BGC.
Wow, BGC. Gusto kong mapuntahan yung BGC. Pagpunta ko sa Manila, bistahin kita sa BGC. Okay
Yeah,
lang?
super ganda dito kasi ang daming areas na pwede mag-jogging, mag-bike. So, ganda talaga.
Wow, ganun ka pa rin kasi nung estudyante ka pa, under ka pa sa akin, talagang mahilig ka dyan, mga biking. Hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin pala, hindi nawawala sa'yo.
Yes, yun talaga.
Yun talaga ang gusto mo. Di ba pa rin, ka pa rin? Di ba basketball, yung dati, yung ginagawa mo? Nagba-basketball ka pa rin ba?
Hindi na masyado, pero nagte-tennis, nag-jump rope. Dami pa rin
Wow,
sports.
wow, ang ganda talaga yan, no? Yung body natin kasi we only have one body. We have to invest, no, in our body. So, by the way, may tanong ako.
Yes, ano yun, Miss Eva?
Anong detox program mo ngayon? I know health conscious ka. So, anong meron ka na bang detox program?
Wala. Nagda-diet lang ako. Why? Ano yan?
Ay, maganda to. It's all about fighting body pollution. Alam mo, naging advocacy ko na rin to kasi nag-benefit yung namin, family. So, kaya lang may guide dito. Pakita ko sa'yo, visual kasi. So, send na lang kita ng link. Kailan ka kaya pwede? Weekend or weekdays?
Sa weekdays.
Weekdays. O sige. Sa Wednesday or Friday?
Wednesday, pwede.
Sige. Tapos itanong mo ako kahit anong itanong mo sa akin. So example kung anong itanong mo sa akin. Sige, magtanong ka daw.
Okay, so,
Ano to
ano yung detox program yan? Ano ba yan?
detox program of fruits, vegetables for visual So ipakita ko lang sa iyo. May guide kasi mahirap sa phone. So mag-ano lang tayo Zoom. So weekend, weekdays.
So herbal yan?
Herbal plus fruits, vegetables, and a lot more. Kailang may guide visual. So ano ko lang, pakita ko na lang sa iyo. Kailan ka kaya pwede? Weekend or weekdays?
Okay. So ano yung product niyo?
Bitikit. Pero yun nga visual. So yun, mas maganda sa Zoom na lang tayo. Mapakita ko lahat-lahat. So kailan ka kaya pwede? Weekend? Kaya? Or weekdays? Remember, mom mo ako.
So, yes.
Yeah.
Weekday.
Yan. Nagagalit na si mom. Okay, so yun, may nakuha na ako. Weekend, weekdays, babak ko na to. Kasi baka magbago yung isip ni Marco. Yun lang talaga, no? Chika-chika, no? Normal chika-chika. No? Tapos, by the way, tapos power of choice. Di ba? Napaka-powerful, Marco. Tsaka may guide talaga. So, kung may guide, so may script, ma-pass on mo. So, there's duplication. Kasi yung iba kasi marunong kasi may salesmanship sila, no? Salesperson sila, pero kaya lang hindi siya duplicatable. No? Okay. So next na tayo. Ano bang next natin dito? So yan, no? Sa ano na tayo? Role playing, tapos na tayo. So yan. So here, set appointment tayo. So may ano tayo, standard answers to most frequently asked questions. So next. So ito yung mga ano natin, Marco, 'di ba? Kanina tinatanong-tanong mo ako, 'di ba? Master na master ko yung mga sagot, no? Yan kasi meron tayong standard answers. So, yun, pakibasa, Marco.
Standard answers to most frequently asked questions. Is that herbal? Herbal plus fruits and vegetables and a lot more. It's visual, so weekend or weekdays. What is your product? BT Kit. It's visual, so weekend or weekdays. What is BT Kit? Detox program. It's visual, so weekend or weekdays. What is a detox program? It's a program of fruits, vegetables, fiber, barks, roots, and leaves. It's visual, so weekend or weekdays. What is your business? Franchising. It's visual, so weekend or weekdays. What is your franchising business? Distributorship. It's visual, so weekend or weekdays. How much is the capital or product? As low as 2,000 pesos for capital or 60 pesos a day for product. It's visual, so weekend or weekdays. All other questions must be replied, you have so many questions. It's better to see you so I can answer all your questions.
Okay. So yan, surprise visit na tayo. No? Tapos na yon ang mga ano natin answers, standard answers to most frequently asked questions. Magsasagot talaga tayo, no? Kasi pag hindi tayo magsasagot, yon mag-iisip din sila, ano kaya to? Bakit hindi siya sumasagot? So pero yung sagot natin as short as possible kasi the more answers, the more triggering question din on their part, no? Yon. Okay, so yan, ano na tayo kanina? Setting appointment. This time naman, ito yung gusto mo, di ba? Kasi mabilis, surprise visit. Okay? So, surprise visit tayo. Sige. May ano yan may guide din, yung surprise visit. So, yan. But before I proceed, we proceed natin yan. May tanong ka ba so far?
Yes, actually, regarding the surprise visits.
Ano yan?
What if, anong gagawin ko if aalis sila?
Yun, madali lang yun. No? Kung alis sila, di sabihin mo lang, kasi pag sinasabi, "Uy Marco, bakit hindi mo sinasabi na pupunta ka pala dito, no? Alis ako." Sabihin mo, "Okay lang 'yan, mag-set na lang tayo ng appointment. Kailan ka ba pwede? Weekend or weekdays?" Ganun pa rin. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So, yan, no? At saka may tip ako sa'yo sa surprise visit.
Yes, ano yan, GMD?
Kasi, ito yung secret ni GM Dinera. ang ginagawa niya, nagdadala siya ng something. Kahit mga polvoron, mga chicharon, mga masayal, yun, no? Pang body pollution talaga. No? Kasi yun nga, by principle of reciprocity, no? Yan, magugustuhan ka rin niya. So, kung may dala ka, sana yung dala mo sa akin. Magdala ka ha. No? So,
Ano to
cake.
digital, so wala akong mapadala. Email na lang. Email ko na lang sa'yo.
So, pero ano to surprise visit ha. So, may utang ka
Okay.
sa akin, sulat ko yan. No? So, yan, no? Okay, so basahin mo yan. Ito yung ano natin, surprise visit guides.
Okay, so surprise visit guides, leveraging approach. Typical question from a prospect. Prospect, what brought you here? You. There's something I want to ask you. Can I come in for home visit? Number two, when you get in, notice something positive like nice garden, nice picture, nice place, etc. Use form to start the topic. Do not preempt, no showing of product first. Wait until you can present. Never start explaining without the tools saying like, I heard you have arthritis or you want to get slim, etc. When you proceed to your opportunity, starts with a script. You. By the way, can I ask you a question? Prospect. Yeah, sure. You. Have you heard about leveraging? Prospect. What is that? Since it's face to face, present right away. You. Here, I will show it to you. Get your presentation materials. Note, you can also use the two other approaches.
Okay. So yan, no? This time, kuan man tayo, 'di ba? Bali-bali, ano yung sabi mo? Lipat-lipat,
Papalit-palit.
palit-palit, So ikaw naman ngayon yung yung distributor, ako yung prospect. So ganin
Okay.
pa rin yung scenario natin. Teacher mo ako. Buti na lang good boy ka nung ako yung distributor. Ngayon ikaw naman yung distributor. Karma lang 'yan.
Timing
Sige.
pa na ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko na
Tingnan nga natin kung
approach.
favorite mo pa rin at the end of this session. Sige, okay.
Okay, so ding dong.
Dantes. Kanina kring-kring, ngayon ding-dong. Okay. Ay, huy, Marco. Ay, Marco, bakit naligaw ka?
Napadaan lang ako dito kasi may kaibigan ako dito.
Sino yung kaibigan mo?
Yung nasa green na gate, si
So,
Juan.
so yun, no? Hindi mo masagot tuloy, no? Di ba yung script na yan ang sinasabi, no? Kasi may tanong ako, yun. No? Tapos, wag kang magtanong dyan sa labas ng gate. Dapat papasok ka pa. Di ba? Kasi alibay lang yung tanong mo, alibay lang yon. Ano yun ang format nun sa surprise visit guides? Yan, may tanong ako. Tapos, notice something positive. Tapos yan, by the way na. Okay? Kasi mag-notice something positive, ang ano din yan, psychology behind that. Di ba sa ang dami talagang ma-apply doon sa principle of liking. Kasi mag-complement ka, ang ganda ng garden, ang ganda ng mga dyan. No? So, yan, principle of liking. So, magugustuhan ka ng mom mo. No? Okay. So, yan ha. May tanong ako, tapos notice something positive, tapos si by the way. Okay? So yan, sige. Ano tayo? Role play.
Okay, take two. So, ding dong.
Oy, Marco! Oy, Marco, bakit nandito ka?
Ikaw nga andito ka rin. Joke lang. May tanong ako for you, pero medyo mainit ngayon. Pwede ba ako pumasok?
Sige, pasok ka. Pasok ka.
Wow.
Wow,
Thank you,
napasyal
ma'am.
ka sa namin.
Yeah, ganda ng garden nyo, oh. Ang daming mga plants. Siguro plantita ka, ma'am, no?
Yes, gusto ko talaga ng tanim. Gusto ko talaga ng plants.
Oo.
Oo.
Pati yung bintana nyo, ang ganda din. Saka yung cortina.
Ano
Tas,
pa?
of course, yung pinakamaganda talaga, si ma'am.
Akala ko nakalimutan mo yan. Yan ang pinakamaganda talaga. Yan, may principle of liking ka talaga. Super liking naman yung ginawa mo. Okay, sige na lang. Okay, so tapos yan, maganda talaga yan. Kasi yung may-ari maganda. Tapos yung bisita ko, gwapo. So
Yun. Oo
match
nga,
tayo.
parang hindi na bagay yung career mo na maging teacher. Dapat maging supermodel na.
Wow. Galing naman yan. Magkano ba yan?
Joke
Sige,
lang.
okay.
Pero yun nga napasyal ako dito kasi may tanong ako for you.
Ano yung tanong mo?
Have you heard about leveraging?
Ano yan?
It's intra siya na
Huwag ka nang mag-explain. Pag sabihin niya ano, pakita mo agad. Kaya nga reason, madali yung surprise visit eh. Kasi hindi ka na nag-set ng appointment. Kasi may marami din nag-set ng appointment, nakaset ka na ng appointment, pero yun, tawag nila yun, no show. Gino-ghost ka. Gino-ghost tawag nila doon eh. No, na-Indian ka. So dito, hindi ka na ma-Indian. Nandiyan na yan eh. So pag sinasabi, ano yan? No? So dito, pwede mo magamit yung 3 approaches ha. Either detox, anong online business mo ngayon, alam mo na ba yung leveraging, or ano yung third, anong detox program mo ngayon, or anong online business mo ngayon. Ha? So pag asset building, pag leveraging, asset building, pakita mo. Okay, yung the other 2 approaches, yon business plan. Kung detox, kung ano ka, detox program approach, ano ka, the product side lang of the business plan. Tapos, of course, sabihin mo rin kahit sa ano lang yan, product prospect siya, na meron tong pwede mag-discount yung product natin. So gusto mo, i-proceed ko yung paano magka-discount, tanong ka muna. Kasi product prospect siya eh. Pag sinabi, sige, okay. So, i-present mo yung ano sa business side. Okay? So, yun ang mga gagawin mo. Okay, so yun. Ano yan?
here, I will show you.
Okay, so yan. Tapos na. No, di ang dali lang. No? So, importante talaga yan na mga ganun. No? Okay, so ano ka na ba? Confident ka na dito sa ano natin, surprise visit guides? Gusto mo pa rin yung surprise visit guides?
Parang hindi na masyado.
Hindi, maganda talaga to. No,
Yeah.
maganda para sa ano, prospect kasi magdadala ka dito ng chicharon eh. 'Di ba? Okay, so ano lang 'yan ha? 3 steps lang 'yan. No, may tanong ako, no? Tapos notice something positive. Tapos si by the way na. Okay? So 'yan, role playing na tayo. Tapos na. So follow up na tayo. Okay, so product follow up na tayo. So ito Marco, importante din. Alam mo bakit importante ito? Again, ang daming applicable to talaga na naman ang principle of reciprocity. Napaka-useful tong reciprocity. Kasi if you give good service by doing the care plan, kasi 'di ba, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. So itong care plan, most likely kung ano ka, nagbibigay ka ng service sa kanya, mag-reciprocate din siya sa iyo. No, like pag-assist ng mga orders niya, pagsagot ng mga tanong niya, and lastly, making sure na ma-follow up yung 90-day program. So Marco, make sure lang talaga sa presentation mo sa product, pinofocus na highlight mo talaga yung 90-day program. Kasi the company said that if you commit to the 90-day program, 3 months program, we have never seen the product failed even once. If you commit to the 90-day program, you will always see positive result. Yun nga, positive result, maganda yung tulog mo, maganda yung energy mo. So make sure naintindihan nila yung 90-day program. Kasi sa follow-up mo, yun din ang tanong mo. Okay, so dito sa 90-day program, ang tatandaan mo dito is 1, 3, 5, 15, 30. No? Ano ba yung 1, 3, 5, 15, 30? First day, make sure nakainom sila. Kasi yung iba, na ano lang, binilhan ka lang, no? Kasi cannot say no siya sa'yo. So, hindi naman ininom. Make sure ininom nila. Kahit text lang, no? Yan, may script tayo. Have you tried taking the products? Third day, dapat kasi consistent, no? Kasi sabi ni Paul Kramer, you can take intra anytime the day, make sure lang consistent para may result talaga. Fifth day, baka yun nga, yung iba kasi dito nag-body adjustment, mayroong body adjustment, yung iba napapagod, yung iba hindi makatulog, yung iba ano, no, mayroong mild headache. So okay lang yan kung talagang gusto nila ng medical explanation or doctor's explanation dyan, meron tayong write-up, pakita ko later, no? Send mo yan. Tapos sa 15-30 day, yun, ito mas maganda, tawag na talaga to. No? Based on my care plan, ma'am, nakita ko na ubos na yung product mo. No? Tapos sabi mo kasi, commit mo yung 90-day program para hindi masayang yung naumpisahan mo. So ituloy natin to. So ano bang i-deliver ko dyan? Depende kung anong initial order niya. Kung isang bitikit, so power of choice pa rin. No? 1 bitikit or 3 bitikits. Yan. No? Magaling to yung care plan. So far, wala kang question sa care plan?
Wala, clear naman lahat.
So may form yan ha. So ano mo yan, i-download mo yan sa Business Owners Pro. So next, so ito yung write up ng doctor, no? Medical explanation bakit healing crisis. Okay? Nasa rin to, Business Owners Pro, nandun sa bonuses, tapos annexes, nandyan yan. Okay, sa game plan interview na tayo, Marco. Ready ka na sa game plan interview?
Yes, ready.
Okay, so yan, no? Validate the decision, congratulate and welcome as the big why. So congratulations, Marco, for taking charge of your life by building asset. Kasi very important to, building asset during your productive years, kasi asset will take care of you while body is sick or tired, no? Hindi kaya gawin yan ng job. Kasi kung wala na yung body mo for the job, wala rin income. So welcome to Lifestyles. So here, you are enrolling to our asset building program. Kasi sabi ni Harv Eker, if what you're doing right now does not lead you to the creation of passive income, guess what will happen? You will work for the rest of your life. Gusto mo ba working forever? May forever pala. Gusto mo ba yan?
Yes. Ay, hindi. Joke.
Of
Sanay na sa
course.
yes.
Sanay sa yes kasi yes dito dapat eh. So dito talaga sa Lifestyles, dreams do come true. And we're not just dreaming our dreams, imagine, but living our dreams. No, we're like a family here, your extended family that help one another achieving our dreams, and we embody our mission here of helping people live better every day. Kaya sabi ko, ang chika-chika natin, di ba? Form, yung M doon is meaning anything that you can provide wellness and health solutions, kasi we are just solution provider here, helping people live better every day, talagang pinaka-mission natin. So your big why, if I may ask kung pwede lang, so yan, mag-ano ka talaga dyan, may intro ka talaga dyan kung pwede ba, no? If I may ask, ano ba yung mo, Marco, kung okay lang sa'yo? Ano bang pinaka-big why mo dito sa business? Bakit na-attract ka na mag-sign up dito sa business?
First and foremost, the reason, of course, yung products, gumagana talaga siya, proven. But yung big why, kung bakit nagbe-business ako, not just taking products, is gusto ko magkaroon ng passive income, not only through this business, but to have passive income through real estate, mga rental income, mga ganyan.
Wow, specifically, dapat kasi sa dream natin, klaro tayo, clarity is power. So ano yung rental income, rental properties ang gusto mo?
10-door apartment.
10-door apartment? Wow! So, magkano kaya tingin mo every door yung income nun?
50,000 per door.
Wow! Wow! Big dreamer ka talaga, Marco. Fit na fit ka sa Lifestyles. Imagine kung may 500,000 ka kasi 50,000 each. Then 10-door, 500,000. Tapos may 1 million ka sa Lifestyles. So magkano yun? 1.5 million. No, grabe. So kuha mo talaga yan dito kasi leverage tayo, no? Maganda leverage, hindi lang effort mo. So yan, no, mag-ano ka talaga, mag-ask ka ng permission muna kung okay lang ba, malaman ko kung anong big why mo kasi Batman and Robin tayo dito, tapos ako yung mentor mo, tapos dapat transparent tayo sa mentor, 'di ba? So yan, no? Na alam ko na yung big why. Tapos alam mo, ang secret talaga ng business dito, Marco, is first is labanan lang talaga ng pangarap to. Yung mo, 10-door apartment mo, ilaban mo yan no matter what. No? Tapos yung second is itapon mo ang ego mo. No? So pag ganun, labanan ng pangarap, tapos itapon ang ego, alam mo, you will be unstoppable. Kasi if mataas pa ang ego mo, doon din kababa ang pin level mo. Ano sila, indirectly, inversely proportional. No? So yan, tapunan lang to ng ego, tsaka labanan ng pangarap. Yun lang pinakasikreto dito. Okay? Tapos, set expectation tayo, Marco. Dito may mga expectations tayo, ha? You who makes the difference, sponsor is just a guide. No, goal of sponsor is to make you independent ASAP. So, guide lang ako dito, no? This is your business, Marco. Ang tawag sa business mo is Marco Incorporated, hindi Miss Beautiful Incorporated. Ikaw yung CEO, no? So, you're not an employee, no? But you are a business owner. You are not an assistant. You are not a helper, but CEO. No? Ako, not the doer of your business. Consultant lang ako, guide lang ako. Magbibigay din ako ng time kung tingin ko motivated ka. I only work with you but not for you. At saka wala kang business sa upline mo. No, your business from you down the line, no? So minsan hindi mo nakikita yung upline mo sa events, no? Hindi ibig sabihin wala ka rin sa events. Kasi yun nga, wala kang business sa upline mo. No, i-take care mo yung organization mo. Klaro ba yon, Marco?
Yes, claro.
Okay. So ngayon, dapat ang goal ko talaga sa iyo is for you to become independent ASAP. Why? Kasi the leverage is found on the independence of your people. Kasi with your independence, it also create independence downline and they will start to earn fast. Kasi 'di ba, kopya-kopya business lang to. So kung dependent ka sa upline mo, yung mga downline mo, dependent din sa'yo. Tapos, nag-babysit ka sa downline mo. And if that happens, babysitting downlines, that will stop their growth, the babysitting. Dati siguro, pwede yan yung babysitting downlines kasi wala pa tayong tools. But ngayon na meron na tayong tools, no, ano na yan, hindi na kailangan i-babysit, no? Independent na yan. You just say goodbye to your upline and say yes to the franchising kit. It's the tools that help them grow. Sabi nga natin, di ba, don't be a fool. Use the tools, di ba? Meron tayong sayings na ganun. So, yan, no? Tools gagamitin natin para maging independent. So, how to handle during business challenges? Tender love or tough love? So, dito Marco, up and down talaga yung business. Kahit hindi ka naman mag-lifestyles, up and down lang talaga yan. No? Kasi wala namang permanent except change. No? So, and I know na down ka if you're not calling me anymore. No, hindi ka na nag-call back sa mga calls ko, hindi ka na nag-text back sa mga text ko, wala ka na sa events, ang dami mo ng excuses, tapos busy ka na sa work, that's why hindi mo nakuha yung daily target mo. So, if that happens, how can I serve you? Tender love ba or tough love? Itong tender love, will I leave you for you already know what to do? Tapos, ang text ko sa'yo is remind lang sa meetings. Tapos, I'll just give you space. Siguro, gusto mo lang, mag-isa ka lang muna. Hindi ka pa-counsel or pa-mentor sa upline mo. Yan, tender love yan. Or tough love, na hindi hindi kita pakawalan. No, yun ang gusto mo, hindi kita pakawalan hanggang ma-GMD ka. No? Ibig sabihin nun, pwede kitang pagalitan kasi wala ka sa functions. No, pagalitan kita, bakit wala kang daily target or wala kang products? Yun ba ang gusto mo? Anong gusto mo? Tender love or tough love?
So, pipili ako dito.
Yeah, pili ka.
Sanay na ako sa pinagalitan mo eh. Tough love.
Tough love. O sige, tough love pala ha. Sige, manghugas ka na ng pinggan. So yan, no? Napaka-importante ito yung managing the expectations of upline, downline. Kasi yun nga, 'di ba? Expectation, sabi ko, is the root of all headache. So hindi naman ibig sabihin na kung tender love ka, hindi ka magsasucceed. Ang dami ko ngang tender love din nang successful sila. Pero meron din talaga, nagsasabi din mga downline na GMD, ano mo talaga ako, pagalitan mo talaga ako. Kasi hindi talaga ako na-promote pa. Meron mga ganon. So yan, pinapagalitan din namin. Okay? So yan. Ano na tayo? Number 3. Number 3 na tayo. Ask your new sign up to fill up my 90-day commitment and monitor closely. So yan. Next slide tayo. Ito, my 90-day commitment, Marco. So, commitment really is a big word ha. Kasi commitment, it's either you're in or you're out. No? So, walang magsasucceed dito na half put in, half put out. No? So, kasi merong iba no? Pag mga part-time sila, kung nag-lifestyle sila, nagigilty sila kasi inisip nila yung office nila. Tapos kung nag-office naman sila, no? Nagigilty din sila kasi hindi sila nag-lifestyle. So, yun, walang, 'di ba, sinasabi you cannot catch any chickens if you chase them at the same time. So kung lifestyles ka, lifestyles. Kung office ka, office. Pero okay naman kung mag-part-time ka lang, pero you cannot expect much from lifestyles kung ano lang. No? ano lang, part-time ka lang. No? So, yan, no? Wala talaga mag-succeed kung half put in, half put out ka. And it will start with a decision. A decision that you will marry lifestyles in 3 years or 5 years, kung anong tingin mo. And you will give your all. No? Dito talaga, committed ka. So, if this is you, you have to answer this my 90-day commitment. No? Tsaka ibigay mo to sa ano mo, sa mentor mo, yun, mas accountable ka. And with accountability, yan, mas tatrabahuin mo talaga. Kasi parang yan, ano rin yan, principle of consistency. Kasi tingin mo dapat consistent ka. So kung anong kinukommit mo, talagang i-follow mo yan. Okay, so Marco, kung committed ka, i-ano mo to, download mo to, no? Tapos bigay mo sa akin. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so next na tayo. Number 4, challenge to the next rank with the ladder of success. So ito yan, no? So yan, no? Ladder of success. So ngayon, ano ka? Direct distributor ka, 'di ba? Direct distributor ka pa. So ang goal natin, Marco, is regional director, 'di ba? One life builder 'yon. Tapos kung makuha mo yan in 1 calendar month, no? Not in 30 days, calendar month, regional director ka, 2 direct distributor. Tapos, yan, no? Executive director, 4 na direct distributor. National marketing director, ito mga elite leaders na to. No, 6 na DDs, 2 power leg. Power leg pala is meron kang direct distributor na grabe yung trabaho niya. Tapos meron siyang 18 express direct or 9 instant direct. So power leg yan. So ano yan, average income mo is 50,000 up to 150,000. Yan, power leg yan. 2 power leg. Kaya nga elite leaders na sila kasi may mga power leg na sila. International Marketing Director, 4 yung power leg. Tsaka Global Marketing Director, 6 ang power leg. So, kailan ka mag-regional director? Kasi ngayon, direct distributor ka pa. Kailan plano mo mag-regional director? Ano tayo ngayon eh? February 11. So, kailan mo plano mag-regional director?
So, dapat within 30 days para makuha ko yung Life Builder program.
Or, pwede rin kasi kung within 30 days ka, nasa March na yan. No? Kung nasa March, yes, makuha mong Life Builder. Pero in terms sa promotion, calendar yan, so cut off. So, yung February kasi ngayon, March 3 ang cut off. So, kung gusto mong promotion, dapat on or before March 3, makuha mo yung 2 direct distributor. Okay? Iba kasi yung ano eh, computation, pag promotion, cut off. Pag life builder, 30 days. No? So, kung regional director ka, so yan, before cut off, Marco, March 3, dapat meron ka ng 2 direct distributor. No? Pero kung gusto mo life builder lang, yan, 30 days. No? 30 days ang counting. Ano ba? Clear ba sa'yo?
Yes, clear.
Okay. So yun. Pero dito, ano bang pinaka-dream mo na position dito?
Of course, Global Marketing Director.
Yes, of course, Global Marketing Director talaga. Okay, so yun, no? Ano bang next dito? So, Global Marketing Director talaga, ha? So, dapat, mag-start na ng work, yung base sa mga natutunan mo ngayon sa script. So, ano na tayo? Start the field work na tayo. No? So, pakibasa, Marco.
Start the field work. Proceed with 5 to 10 2-on-1 STPs. Start those with V, surprise visit in your list, or start setting an appointment, then schedule a home meeting. The magic formula, monitor the 90-day commitment. During the commitment period, ask your new sign-up to fill in the pocket monitor.
Okay, so tapos na tayo. My job is done and yours has just begun. Yan ang favorite na sayings ko eh, no? So, yun, no? Ano na tayo? So, tingnan mo yung list of people mo, tapos unahin mo yung right market, tapos meron kang 5 to 10 times sa masamahan sa mentor mo, which is ako yon, no? 2-on-1 STP, 5 to 10 times. So, within 5 to 10 times, expected ka, learning period mo yon. So, be like a sponge to absorb everything you can, no? Tapos kasi you're not downline all the time, you're also an upline to your downline. Okay? So yan, or mag-surprise visit tayo. Tapos again, the magic formula here, yun yung 90-day commitment natin. 'Di ba? Ano yung daily target mo? 2 bottles or talk to 3 to 5 people a day. Tapos fill in the pocket monitor. Okay, so next slide. End na tayo sa Jumpstart Basic. So, Next step, again, your next step, no, pabalik-balik talaga to. Start your 90-day program with a pocket monitor now. So, alam mo, Marco, I have to tell you na merong false belief dito sa business. Alam mo ba kung anong myth or false belief dito sa business?
Ano yung GMD?
Di ba narinig mo na yung slowly but surely? May narinig ka na bang ganyan?
Yes.
Na pag sinasabi na, oh, mag-ED ka na. Okay, GMD, ano yan? Slowly but surely. Pero mali yan eh. Kasi slow and steady work cannot win the race. It's not true, no? Na slowly but surely. Kasi pag ganyan, walang momentum, walang speed. No? And money loves speed, no? You have to do it fast so that when you share your story, powerful. Kasi pag sinasabi mo, oh, ito, RD ako in just 1 month, no? So, ang check ko, 56,000 or 28,000 or 30,000, no? 3 months pa lang sa business, nakabili na ako ng kotse, ganun-ganun. So, you will attract excited people kasi there's more excitement in your business. So, yan. Dapat, talaga, Marco, alam mo, kasi sinasabi mo sa akin na mag-supermodel ako, no? So, yan, bigyan kong tip kita na yon 90-day program lang talaga, pocket monitor lang talaga for you to be successful in this business. Kasi if not doing your 90-day, you are not doing it right. Period. You're just delaying success. After all, what is 90 days of pain for a lifetime of gain? So ilan na bang 90 days? Dumaan sa buhay mo, wala namang nangyari. This time, no? Anuhin mo, ang 90 days, iba ngayon ang 90 days kasi gawin mo lahat para makuha mo yung daily target mo. And after that, kung may momentum ka na, all the fun begins when you have momentum. Okay, Marco, so last slide na tayo. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. No, ang problema lang talaga ng mga tao, the only stopper of success is getting started. Do you know why, meron akong tanong sa'yo. Do you know why only few are successful? What do you think? Bakit konti lang successful?
Because not everyone starts.
Ano yun? Not everyone?
Starts.
Yeah, tama yan. Kasi, only few take action. At bakit kaya only few are taking action? Kasi marami silang excuses no? Lahat naman pwede mo malagyan ng excuse But here, it's either you're making money or making excuses. There's no in between. So which one ka ba doon, no? So, making money or making excuses?
Making money
soon. Of course, making money. And how do you start making money? Pocket monitor. Pocket monitor talaga. Pocket monitor. Maraming money kung may pocket monitor. Okay, so yan, no? Tapos na ako, Marco. Unless may question ka pa?
No more questions, Jimmy.
Ako yung may question. Ano bang pinaka-best takeaway mo sa training natin?
My biggest takeaway would be yung way of starting the opportunity, which is by the way. Kasi madalas na paikot-ikot na yung kwentuhan pero di pa rin napasok yung opportunity. Pero ngayon, may easy way of doing that through by the way talaga. Kasi parang as sinabi mo, parang nag-mark talaga siya ng parang bagong topic if sinasabi mo yung by the way. Next is power of choice. Kasi if hindi ka nagbibigay ng choice, di ka na mabalikan nila kasi ang dami nilang iniisip. So yung default answer nila would be balikan kita. And if they say that, wala na yan. Hindi ka na balikan. So dapat make the decision easy for them. Give them choices. So,
yeah, tama yan. Meron nga nagtatanong sa akin kasi mali yung pagkaset ng appointment niya. Yun, paano daw i-repair yun? Sabi ko, mahirap na talaga yan, no? Kung mali na yung pag-set ng appointment mo. So, yan, dapat hindi ka talaga nag-field work. Sinasabi naman talaga yan, before you do any field work, dapat naka-jumpstart muna. So ito, Marco, paramihan ng by the way lang talaga to. And ang mga tao, no, so nag-iisip sila, nagbebenta sila dito. No, you're not convincing, you're not selling, but you're just asking question. Diba? You're just notifying that you have wellness and health solution. It can be health or wealth or personality growth. No, it's just notifying people. So padamihan lang talaga to ng by the way, padamihan lang talaga to ng asking question, which is ano yung detox program mo ngayon, or alam mo na ba yung leveraging, or anong online business mo ngayon. The more you do that, the more people you talk to, the more chances you will find your 6 people. Di ba? Ang galing ng business natin.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm done. So thank you, Marco, for joining me and for being such a good sport. I hope hindi yun bula yung mga sinasabi mo sa akin. I hope totoo yun. And we hope that with this training, it will bring you confidence in the field. And together, let us build our assets and never have to work again. God bless us all.